Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to Device Dose, the ultimate hub for all things tech. I'm Host, and today get ready to buckle up because we're diving into the thrilling world of rumors surrounding the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S24 series. But before we unravel the excitement, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell icon so you never miss out on the latest in tech awesomeness. Overview and design. The Samsung Galaxy S24 series is rumored to make its grand entrance on January 17th, 2024. We've already caught a sneak peek through CAD-based renders, giving us a taste of the sleek, futuristic design. Hold on to your seats because the anticipation is real. Fasten your seatbelts, folks, as official-looking images from Windows Report add more fuel to the fire, confirming the phone's stunning flat design. Brace yourselves for an explosion of color with 4 vibrant options, each boasting a unique marketing name that screams style. The publication claims that the Samsung Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra will come in black, gray, violet, and yellow colors, but they will have different marketing names for the phones: Onyx Black, Marble Gray, Cobalt Violet, and Amber Yellow for the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus. Build and frame details. Now let's talk structure. The S24 Ultra is flexing its muscles with a titanium frame, while the S24 and S24 Plus rock an aluminum armor frame. It's not just about looks, it's about the perfect fusion of durability and elegance. Vapor chambers and cooling. Performance junkies, listen up. The S24 and S24 Plus are rumored to pack vapor chambers 1.5x and 1.6x larger than their predecessors. But hold on to your hats because the S24 Ultra is taking it to the extreme with a colossal 1.9x bigger vapor chamber, promising a performance that will leave you breathless. Camera specifications. Say cheese. The S24 Ultra is shaping up to be a camera wizard with a mind-blowing 200 megapixel main sensor, leaving the S24 and S24 Plus in the dust at 50 megapixels. But that's not all. Brace yourselves for enhanced zoom capabilities, telephoto sensors, optical zooms, ultra-wides, and selfie cameras. Get ready to capture moments like never before. Batteries and resistance. Fueling the excitement, we have varying battery capacities. 4000 mAh for S24, 4900 mAh for S24 Plus, and a jaw-dropping 5000 mAh for the Ultra. Plus, they're all equipped with IP68 water and dust resistance. These devices aren't just powerful, they're practically indestructible. Aesthetics and design continuation. Wondering how these beauties look from every angle? Feast your eyes on images posted by Arsène Lupin on Twitter. While they maintain a sleek look from 2023, the S24 Ultra is rumored to flaunt a completely flat screen, bidding farewell to those subtle curves. AI integration and software. Now, let's switch gears to the brain behind the beauty, software. There's a buzz about Samsung's generative AI model, Gauss, making its grand entrance into the S24 lineup. Imagine AI seamlessly generating and editing images, composing emails, summarizing documents, and even lending a hand with coding. The future is here. Release date predictions. Mark your calendars, tech aficionados. The rumored release date is January 17th, 2024. Brace yourselves for the pre-orders kicking off on January 18th, with these futuristic devices expected to land in your hands by January 30th. We've even heard the possible exact time of the Galaxy S24 launch event, with another leak saying the Samsung Galaxy S24 will be announced at 10 a.m. PT, 1 p.m. ET, 6 p.m. GMT, all on January 17th. Price predictions. Drumroll please. The burning question: what's the damage to your wallet? While official pricing is still under wraps, we're placing our bets. Get ready to dish out at least $799.99 for the S24, $999.99 for the S24 Plus, and a cool $1,199.99 for the S24 Ultra. It's a tech investment worth making. That's a wrap on our whirlwind tour through the latest Samsung Galaxy S24 rumors. What feature has you on the edge of your seat? Share your excitement in the comments below. And also tell me that, are you waiting for the new Samsung S24 series? If you enjoyed this roller coaster of tech revelations, show us some love with a thumbs up. And stay tuned to Device Dose for your regular dose of tech wonders. Until next time, I'm Host signing off.